a side mount soft close drawer slide. To attach to the drawer box, we have these toolless green barbs that utilize pre-drilled 8mm holes in the side panels of your drawer box. Those go all the way through and are located beneath the dado, so they're invisible once they're installed, once the drawer slide is installed. And you simply take the drawer slide and line up the holes and press fit it in. And those barbs are going to secure it into place. No screws, no tools required. Take your other side, do the same thing. Line it up, press fit them in. Now once you've done that, take your drawer slide and we're ready to attach it to your cabinet. We have pre-installed our channel lock hardware, and those will drop into the keyhole slots that are pre-routed into your end panels. And we have a locking button. It's just a little spring-loaded button that goes into a pre-drilled 8mm hole. And once you slide the drawer slide into the routes, that little button is going to spring into our stopping hole. Just place it in, and you're going to slide it forward until you hear it click. Ready to go. Take the other side, do the same thing. And it's as simple as that. No screws, no screwdriver, no adjustments required. Now you're ready to install your drawer box. We'll slide on the drawer front. And right into the cabinet. There you have it. Thank you.